Get that, that's the music. There.
P.
I love the
Why?
because it goes and I like that. It's like aesthetically pleasing or something.
Is it? Okay.
Not in a gross way. It's just I like the sound. And I'm proud of my dress in this torn up town.
What is that? What is that?
You have to grab it. Yeah.
Oh. And when? Is that a shower?
Yeah. For the plants, they need to get watered.
Okay.
In this torn up town.
Hey Hermione,
Hey.
I found a bunch of shredded boomslang skin for the polyjuice potion. That's great, Harry. I'll go add it to the potion right
Why
now.
do they talk so slowly? They're just
Yeah,
like,
they do.
The weekly
My legs are
Asteroid ceremony
cold.
starting soon.
Ooh, can I get the beans?
Oh, no, I want to get the beans.
Oh.
Hello.
Hello.
But.
Get. Do thing. Oh, wow.
Oh, yay!
Alohomora. Just wait until you turn into like the guy and then you say Alohomora.
What guy?
Because that's why you're making the polyjuice. You turn into this
Oh,
guy.
yeah.
And he's
Oh,
really
yeah.
fat and slow.
What's his name? Fat?
Dudley? No.
Maybe?
No, it's not Dudley. It's either Crab or Goyle.
Let's get beans. Get the beans.
Beans!
Let's get beans. Ah!
Wow, really?
Beans. I'm really better at this than Matt. I don't understand why there has to be two different separate spells for slime and branches.
Yeah.
Why can't they just be the same? I'm not that tall.
I am.
Ruby can do it.
Ruby can do it. Ah!
What? That was like 0 time.
In the second week of December.
Wow, there really was not that much time at all. What the heck?
Who cares?
Who cared? So...
We might already have posted this part, so who cares?
Who care about anything?
Where are we going?
Moaning Myrtle's bathroom.
Where's that?
It'll be an experience getting there.
Ugh.
I want to do it.
No.
No!
I want to play. You said I could play.
You did a challenge.
So?
It's me. It's funny. What's that music from the Endless Forest?
Oh, I don't remember. How could I have forgotten? I'll remember eventually.
It's gonna bug me till now.
Let's just rewatch the video. I don't think it's that way.
But you can still go up that way. Chill. Nintendo!
Give me a no. But just, is there a card? Silver card. Silver wizard card. I'm cold. Why is it all of a sudden really cold?
I don't know. It's not
Oh, we went in a circle.
Beg your pardon?
Excuse you.
Stupid Ravenclaw. Is it? Just stop. Do you see sheen from Jimmy Neutron in these wall textures?
Sheen.
From Jimmy Neutron.
Wait, like actually his face.
Yeah, I see it. Nobody else does.
I'm looking. Which wall texture?
That one. They're in stripes. And go back up and run up the stairs. Do you see it?
No.
Oh my god! I swear to God, I see sheen. Like, I don't even can see his face, but I feel his face in
Well
there.
then, no. Wasselbird!
Wattlebird. Oh, he's a Wattlebird.
Why are you crying? Why are you crying?
My chin.
What? Mine's lumpier than yours.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Let's touch them.
No. But I've got, you know. Stop! I don't want to. I don't want to. I'm not single.
I want to touch your chin.
No, you're making me feel self-conscious about my chin.
I hate you.
There was nothing up there, I think. This was a complete waste of time. Where is the bathroom? I just want to go to the bathroom. I have to pee IRL as well. I just want to go to the bathroom.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Is it there?
That looks like one of my old teachers.
It's like Peter Pan.
No, it just reminds me of a teacher.
This is the door to the Scourge Challenge.
Let's not do that again.
Let's not. Where's the bathroom? I haven't played this game in a million years, or maybe like a month.
You have to go to those big...
The scar on Harry Potter's forehead moves around like a snake, or so I heard.
That's not even in the books!
No, it's because they're being a rumor.
It's where those, you know, like all those big, like, staircase movie things are, and then...
Oh! No, I don't know where that
I don't know.
Cheers!
is.
Cheers!
I kicked you in the face.
And by the Rich Assembly Challenge.
Woo! Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom in this place?
You have to go back.
Dancing.
Oh! Oh!
Uh,
Ah!
uh,
Oh!
uh,
Oh!
uh.
Eh?
Did I find it? Music changed.
Well, you can do that, and you can do that thing.
Here's the Great Hall, site of ceremonies and dueling.
Wow, I don't think the whole school could fit in here.
Yeah, well...
Oh, 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 oh.
Bump into them. Kick her in the face.
I'll kick him in the face.
Kick him.
How about a trade, Harry?
Kick him.
Oh, bad. What is that? It's a hat. Why would...
It's art, okay? Don't question art. I haven't been able to talk to Josh because your phone is dumb.
Yeah.
Maybe it's that way. No, go that way. Go that way.
I already went. This was the first time I went. Yeah, this was the first way I went.
Stop jumping.
I like jumping. See, we did that thing to the thing. Maybe it's this way? No, because that's locked. I'm so confused. And we don't know how to cut stuff out, so everyone's gonna have to pay attention.
Of course.
Is it this way?
No.
Because this is like what's his face place. Let's see.
Oh! Very loud. Oh!
Oh, jeez, he's dead. He's already dead, though.
Oh no! It's the London
I don't care.
What's happened to you?
You can't skip